In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Microsoft Teams from start to finish. Whether you're teaching a class or leading a project, a quick quiz can make learning and communication more interactive. Let's walk through it together so you can set one up confidently from start to finish. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. On the left, you'll see a list of your teams. Click into the team where you want the quiz to live. If you're part of multiple teams or channels, take a second to double check you're in the right place. It's a simple step, but it prevents confusion later when people go to find and complete the quiz. Now look toward the top of the channel. You'll see a small plus button. Click that. This is how you add apps and tools that work right inside Teams, so you don't have to bounce between different windows. When the app window appears, choose Forms. Microsoft Forms is built into Teams and is designed for creating quizzes, surveys, and quick check-ins without any complicated setup. Once Forms opens, give your quiz a clear, engaging title so people know exactly what to expect. If there's a topic or goal, reflect that in the name. After you've entered the title, click Save to make sure your work is stored. It's a good habit to save as you go, especially if you're drafting a few questions. Now it's time to build your quiz. Inside Forms, click the plus icon to add your first question. You can choose from different types like multiple choice for straightforward checks, text responses when you want a short written answer, or ratings if you need quick feedback. Pick the format that best matches what you're asking. Keep your questions concise and make answer choices clear so there's no guesswork for participants. If a question has more than one correct answer, turn on the setting that allows multiple answers. This ensures people can select everything that applies instead of being forced to choose just one. It's especially helpful for checklist style questions or scenarios with more than one valid response. Once you've finished adding all your questions, click Collect Responses. This prepares the quiz so others can access it and start responding right away. You can share your quiz in two simple ways: post it directly to your team channel so everyone can see it in context, or copy the link and share it through email or another platform if that's more convenient for your audience. And that's it. Your quiz is live and ready for responses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss future uploads.